To add to what I just talked about right here, the one thing that a lot of people don't realize is that if you do the job right, I'm going to show you. See what Andrew is doing dry passes. It's not doing that much, but this, it's almost dry. That means that we're being very thorough in removing all the dirty water out of there. Make sure that everything's rinsed out, neutralized, and bringing the pH to as close to 7 as possible, which brings back the nice fluffy feel of the carpets. So if you're looking for services, make sure you're dealing with a professional that knows what they're doing. We've also been dealing with, we've been getting a lot of calls lately where someone got bait and switched, where they went with a lower rate guy, came back, it was a lot higher than when we would have charged when that final bill came around, and everything is just ruined. It's unfortunate. There are other companies like ourselves in the area that does great work. Their competitors I really greatly respect, but most of the people, they think just renting a rug doctor or buying a cheap used machine and going out doing the work will take care of all their will make them a lot of money, and it's not. Good work makes a business happen. So anyways, y'all take care, enjoy the summer. It's finally here, and look forward to talking to you soon.